Guess where we're going? Are you excited? I'm West. This is Lucy. And this is the Big Craters of the Moon National Monument and Preserve episode with background traffic noises. You're probably asking why I don't get out of the car, and that's because it's 95 degrees and Lucy's not allowed on hikes, so I can't go on hikes. But also there's no fucking air on the moon. So do you just carry around your NASA spacesuit with you and go on hikes that way? Seems like that would make it even hotter than 95 degrees. Maybe I'm the crazy one here. Maybe it's me. I always thought the moon was cold. So I don't know what to do with this new information. Now you can't even trust NASA or the moon landing. It's like it's all been faked. How are these people not explosive decompressing? Explosive decompressioning? You know, you've heard the scientific term before. This place is wild. And if I didn't need oxygen to breathe like these other mutants here, and it wasn't 95 degrees and I could leave Lucy behind for a little while, I would definitely go on some of these hikes. Maybe twice. All right, you animals, I'll go outside. Let's do everything you guys want to do.